How to set up and use focus mode for better concentration on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to set up and use focus mode on your iPhone to eliminate distractions and boost your concentration. Let's dive in and get started. First, open Settings. Scroll down and tap on Focus to view available modes, like Do Not Disturb, Personal, Sleep, and Work. Tap the plus icon in the top right corner. Choose a template or select Custom to create a personalized mode. Enter a name for the focus mode, like Study Time or Meditation. Select an icon and color for easy identification. Then in the Focus menu, tap People to allow calls or messages from specific contacts. Then tap Apps to permit notifications from essential apps only. Scroll down, tap on Filters. Use filters to limit distractions in apps like Calendar, Messages, or Mail. Tap Focus Filters and adjust settings for each app. Let your iPhone automatically activate focus mode based on your habits and routine. You can also access focus mode from Control Center. And that's how you set up and use focus mode on your iPhone to boost your productivity. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips. See you in the next video.